Hello guys, welcome to Apple Tech Review once again. So guys, today I want us to unbox a Lenovo Ideapad 3. As you see, it comes in this box. This one is sealed. As you can see, this one is sealed by Lenovo. Yeah. So as you can see, it is well packed. Yes, I want us to unbox this one. We say, if you're not aware about this, just know that this is the best and cheap PC for you. As you can see here, it's a Intel RAM 4GB RAM, 1TB hard disk, and a 0.6 display. Yeah, it has Windows 10. Yeah, so guys, let's go into it. Let's unbox this one. Yeah. So guys, so this is the laptop. Then what do we have here? Let's check. Wow guys, this charger is there. It's good and it's portable. It's small, not like the previous other PCs which you see with big adapter and yeah, this one is cool. Then what do we have here? Wow, it comes with USB. Yeah. Wow. So guys, this one is separate USB port OD DVD burner, so you can use this one. As you can see, I think this one needs power to eject this one, but this one is the DVD burner, as you can see guys. Yeah. Okay, we're going to check this one or how it works. Just make sure you watch this video until the end. Yeah, so this is the setup guide. Another one. This one is also another one, setup guide. So guys, this is what is found inside the box, the PC and the DVD burner, also the USB for connecting this DVD burner, USB portable DVD burner, and the charger. As you can see, this charger is different from others which you have been receiving from the previous laptops. Yeah, it's cool. So let's check this machine. You see, wow, yeah. So as you can see, guys, the touchpad is on the left side. It's just a little bit on left side. Yeah, it's Core i3 10th generation. What do we have this side? And here, as you can see, it has USB port, USB 3 2 ports, and USB 2 1 port, HDMI 1 port. Also this one is charger. Yeah, then it has also SSD and the microphone. Then what do we have on the here on the camera? Here we have for, let's remove this one. We have privacy shutter. As you can see, you can close like this the camera, or you open. Yeah, so if you worried of webcam, you can just close it like this. Okay, then we have also switch button is here, and the keyboard is so soft and cool, so nice. We have the logo here for Lenovo. Yeah, smooth. As you can see, it is just the layer is covered by silver. Then backside we have the rubbers which prevents it from falling, from sliding. We have the speakers here, both sides. Yeah, and they're open for aeration. So I can see we have here for the logo for Windows 10 Home.